This is the powder packing machine. Powder packing machine like this. And this is the touch screen, and this is the tank, powder tank, and the all go inside this tank. This is the bag former and raw film. This is the vertical sealing model and the horizon sealing model. Touch screen, and this is the temperature control. And you can see here have two temperature. This one, green one, is depending on your film thickness and other things. And this one is the red one. When the temperature arrives at this level, then you can seal the bags tightly. 这个。